So this is how you can return items on Amazon with a full refund. Let's open up the Amazon app and then tap on the bottom rightmost image or symbol, which is the Rufus AI. So I'm going to type this question. How do I get a refund? So now let's simply send that, and now it's going to type out a response that will help us get this refund. So as you can see, it says to request a refund, go to your orders, locate your order, click problem with order, select request refund, enter your comments, and submit. It may take up to a week to process your refund request, and you'll be notified of the decision via email. You can view the status of your request in your orders under problem with order. So let's do what he says. Let's go to your orders, tap on your profile at the bottom of the screen, and then tap on your orders. As you can see, I don't really have any orders yet, but what you're going to want to do next is go to the order that you want to refund, tap on it, and then request a return and refund. It's going to notify you via email if your refund was accepted. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.